Hey guys, this is Delta King, part 2 of Sacramento downtown train station. And second thing, I was gonna tell you guys, in the part 1 I said there is a Delta King. Yeah, Delta King is amazing. He's a hotel now, but it's a cool ship. I heard of its propeller, it has a massive one, but instead it's an old fashioned. So yes guys, we got the Union Pacific caboose and the tanker car. So we're gonna check them out. There is the Ocean and Amtrak line. On top is where the cars go. And on the bottom, on the bottom is the trains, Amtrak. I'm not sure Amtrak will go through, but yeah. So let's check out the trains. Yeah, so the Union Pacific caboose is supposed to be lowered in the location when you see outside, and so is the tanker car. I don't know why, but seems like no. So we're gonna go. Yeah, that's a cool Sacramento unit. I actually never seen it in action. I seen one of these with their motor on, but yeah, it's 402 classic. I'm kidding. I just say classic everything. So we're gonna cross the railroad. There's no train action. Right there is the Santa Fe locomotive. Santa Fe locomotive. I do not know how to say it, but just gonna call it Yo. It's a rainbow. I never expected that, but it's a rainbow right in the air. Look up. Papa.
Huh?
Sorry, we just had a little conversation, but look up. There's literally a rainbow. There's literally a rainbow.
Oh, right. I see.
Yeah. There's some daylight cars. I don't know. I think they have a daylight. Yeah, they actually do have a daylight. That's cool. Sacramento Northern. Oh, even a Union Pacific caboose. Wow. Oh, there's our. What on earth is that locomotive? Yo, they have even a shade. Whatever that is. Okay, let's walk towards these big guys. I don't know what to call them, but they really are big. Sacramento Northern. There is like a Union Pacific caboose. This is what I meant. The depot actually has Union Pacific. Very weird, but yeah. It looks like a locomotive was carrying like an excursion. Oh, here comes the part. These were some of the coaches they usually carry when it's raining. Oh, here's the daylight cars. In front, I guess, is an Amtrak. They have an Amtrak locomotive that actually works, but we didn't see it inside the museum. I mean, this is pretty cool, actually, exploring a couple of train cars. I actually been on one of the cars, but I think I was in the front. We're one more car close to the Amtrak's front. Here we head towards the Amtrak. Get ready, because here is the Amtrak. 281. One of the largest Amtraks. I'm kidding. It's like a normal one. It's not like special. I'm kidding. I know. Yeah, it is a big one. But yeah, it's still very special. Look at it. Look at the Amtrak. It's one of those models. And here is AT and SF. Okay, this is, I don't know what AT means, but I think it's a well, that is a large wheeled Amtrak car. I mean Southern Civic. Santa Fe. This is a Southern Civic Deep Museum, and it's Santa Fe. Okay, this is a steam engine. Watched a lot of videos where people just jump on this thing. There's the Amtrak. So yeah, guys, that was the video, and that is a cool Amtrak, Santa Fe. They actually have twins of these Santa Fe's. Pretty cool. Bye.